Okay, this is it. Everything is gelled together. I'm gonna plate up some. Ooh, look at these dumplings. Look at them. If you know anything about rundown, there be a cook rundown, you know. This is home. Look at that beauty. Look at it. Colors popping. Sauce is there. Glossiness is there. And everything. Look at the color. Look at the color. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare some chicken fried bulgur. Yes, you heard right. Chicken fried bulgur as opposed to chicken fried rice. Now, I've got my skillet there. It's preheating there. This is my days old, not day old, but days old cooked bulgur. Bulgur that has been cooked and was in the refrigerator. This is what it looks like. And it is from the wheat family. If you're new here, welcome. And if you don't know what bulgur is or how do you prepare it, there is a video. I'll leave it in the end links of this video so you can go check it out. So this is my days old bulgur. I've got here the white parts of a scallion, some garlic, and few slices of thinly sliced ginger. This is my chicken. This is some chicken breast I've seasoned. Season your chicken to your liking. This is a little red bell pepper. I might not use all. I really doubt that. These are some carrots. This is the green part of the scallion. And I've got here my soy sauce. Season your chicken to your liking. Did I say I've got 2 eggs here? And you could add some other little stuff. You could incorporate some fresh pineapple cubes or some other fruit of choice or whatever else you put in your fried rice. Some corn, you do your thing. So what I'm going to be doing right here and now, I'm going to be letting my eggs get a little scrambled. I'm not going to do it too dry. I don't like my scrambled egg being too dry for my fried rice, neither for myself. So I'm just going to get it all scrambled out, and I'm going to reserve it right here on my stove top, leaving it to just keep warm. And this is so easy because I preheat. Yeah, and I'm going to be removing my eggs as we speak. Yeah, this is how I like to do my eggs for my fried rice. Do what you want to do. And for this fried chicken fried bulgur, you honestly don't want to use a lot of oil because it doesn't have the capability to hold as to, like the rice would probably like, you know, absorb the grease. So this is wheat, so you want to do like your chicken. I'm gonna put my chicken up to a certain point, and then I'm gonna add a little soy sauce to the mix, to the chicken mix, not to the whole fried bulgur mix. So I'm gonna get my chicken all, you know, a certain way, and then I'm gonna come back to show you what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm at the point where the chicken is just turning color. So I wanna add, this is finely chopped garlic, the white part of the scallion. If you don't, or you wanna add onions, instead you do that, and some thinly sliced garlic. So I didn't want to put it in there before because I don't want it getting burned, you know. So I'm putting it in there at this point. And you want to be doing this on medium high because you don't want the chicken in the pot too much of a long time. You also could do your chicken pieces a little smaller. These were not accurate. Some were a little bigger, but that's how it goes sometimes. So you want to get it all cooked in there. And at this point now, you want to add your carrots. Your carrots can start cooking because they are a bit chewy. And as you add your carrots, you want to turn your flame down. Yeah. So like almost to a little past medium going down. So I'm not adding any more oil because from the egg, I did squeeze a little extra oil. And as I said, bulgur is from the wheat family, so you don't want to have a lot of oil because it won't go well absorbing the grease as the rice would. So at this point, I want to put in my soy sauce. You don't want to get it extra burned. Soy sauce is it's open. Soy sauce is salty. Most of them are salty. So try to remember how you did cook your bulgur and also how you did season your chicken. So we're going to be moving this around for probably another 5 minutes the most. You see that? And maybe we could put a little extra soy sauce. You don't want to get it too dark. Yeah, and you don't want to have it, you don't want to cover it and stuff like that. You just want to get it all. But I think this is fine. We're going to move it around for another maybe 3-4 minutes. Because whilst I was speaking to you, the time was going away. So I'll catch you in the next clip. You see that nice look, and the flavor that is coming out is really nice. So it is about that time now when we had our bulgur rice, and I might not, our bulgur, not the rice, and I might not add all of that. I might leave a little of this bulgur. You want to get your eggs right in right now. You want to chop your eggs. You can put corn, as I said. Some fresh pineapple will be fine. And you want to get your eggs there in right now. You see that? Look at that coming out. And you want to be on a little above, I would say medium at this point. Yeah. So you want to mix in your egg. You see the look that egg gives it? Yeah. And the green scallions, they have, you know, those amount of green scallions that we did put in, it has just, you know, cooked down, dwindled out and all of that. So the rest that is left, we are going to just add it to just brighten up the dish. When you see me next, I will have some of this. I'll plate it just for you. See how easy this dish is? Next clip. Okay, this is it. Everything is gelled together. I'm gonna plate up some, and as I said, don't go too much, family. This is wheat. Just try to use like natural seasonings. If you don't eat egg, try to find something else, because you see that the egg has brought out something or has done something to this chicken fried bulgur. You might want to try it. I know you will. Okay, let me just get some. I'll plate up for you. Clean up your plate and return. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, it's chicken fried bulgur. Try it and you will see. You just might want to give yourself a break from the rice. Thanks for watching.